Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going for a long walk into an area in Tokyo called Akihabara. This is normally a place that I try to avoid generally because it can be really busy in there, but on Google Maps I saw these vending machines that I thought looked really interesting and I really wanted to go there. The one I'm going to first is called Katsu Vending Machine on Google Maps. It sells these sandwiches, so I'm going in there for lunch. But yeah, I'm gonna walk in there now and it's probably gonna take about an hour. So there are 3 vending machines here, and this one is the one that I came for. So you can see and read here what is inside each of them. And then, so I want the one with beef. This one is a hamburger sandwich. So that looks like I need the red box in here. So I need to press 7 or 8. So I don't have coins for that. I'm gonna try 7 and then press purchase. No idea how awkward this is. There's so many people walking by. But there we go. It's actually quite good. I think I'm gonna take the rest of it with me home just because it's quite awkward standing here eating, and also it's right underneath train tracks, so it's really loud here as well. So yeah, I'm gonna take the rest of this with me home, and then I'm gonna go, before I go home, I'm just gonna see if I can find the other vending machines that I found on Google. So I was just over there before, and the other vending machines are just over here. The funniest thing about these is that on Google Maps, they're just called weird vending machines. So this one is normal, it's drinks. There's another drinks one here. It's a little hard to film what's inside. So there are these boxes, which I'm not quite sure what's inside. Some of it is in English and some of it is in Japanese. I saw someone in a TikTok video buy one, and she unwrapped it and there was some expired sweets in there. So I don't think I'm gonna spend my money on that. Especially since like 1,390 yen. It's quite a lot. This one's quite cute though, not quite sure. Is that little gold coins, like maybe chocolate or something? A lot of them are the similar type stuff, which is just these boxes and some other weird sweets. The strings. There are even more in here. So there's also a popcorn one. I don't think I'm gonna try it though, because if you look in here it looks really dirty. So yeah, I wouldn't particularly want to eat anything that comes out of that. So I'm back home now and just eating the rest of the sandwich. Emil had a bite and yeah, he wasn't a big fan of it. I think it's quite good. But yeah, that is everything for this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.